Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather Fur Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Canik Mete SFT in distressed white cerakote. Some of you may think this is awesome. It may not be for everybody, but it's certainly different and people like different types of handguns. We're going to talk about it, so let's do it. Canik has a great reputation for adding a lot in the case, and this one is no different. But before we even go there, let's take a look at this handgun. It has a 4.46 inch barrel, okay, approximately 4.5 inch barrel, and 18 round mags in this, but also a 20 round mag. I'm going to show that. So this is a full-size handgun, and you can take a look at that cerakote finish. It is really well done. All throughout, even on the back strap there, it is really well done. And like I mentioned, this may not be for everybody. Some people love this stuff, and I will tell you that these sell very well. And I remember when Canik first came out, they were very inexpensive, but they dominated the market with cerakote, and now they're doing unique finishes like this. Distressed white. They also have a whitewash and some other white ones, but nonetheless, it is optic ready. It has two optic plates in there. I have to believe those are for RMR and RMSC footprints. Forward serrations. It has a very nice ambidextrous slide stop. All right, and a magazine release that can be switched over from the left side to the right, making it fully left-handed friendly. It has very nice ergonomics, and the sight system is 3-dot, all right? But I have to believe most people would go with the red dot on this, or a green dot, or whatever. A 3-slot Picatinny rail, very generous space in the trigger guard, and the trigger itself is super nice. Now, a lot of people love Canik for the triggers, and I have a lot of experience with Canik, and I will say those triggers are as good as any out there. Check that out. 3¼ pounds, guys, and that is such a short reset. That's worth looking at again. Now, the Canik models are super cool with the disassemble. I love this disassembly. You just pull it off, all right? They're not the only ones that do that, but the handguns that do that, I just think it's cool. I really do. And then you just put it back on. Now, before we do that, we'll show that it has a captured steel recoil spring assembly, all right? Guide rod, and then the 4.46 inch barrel. Super simple process. A lot of people love Canik, and back in the day when this was first a thing, people were blown away by what they offered in the case, and of course what they experienced at the range. But let's check this out. Okay, up top here, we'll take a look at it this way. It has a steel bore brush, a patch tool. Here we have a punch. This it looks like a little cool keychain and things like that, but actually it has little tools in there, and there's an additional back strap. All right, and here we have the paperwork that is attached to the sleeve. And then we come over to this side. Remember I said there was a 20 round magazine? There she is right there, along with a speed loader. And then over here we have a flared mag well. All right, that's cool. And then the two optic plates and then a trigger lock. It also has this holster here. Now, some holsters that you get from the manufacturer are garbage. All right, I'll just tell you that. This one actually snaps in pretty good. Made for outside the waistband. Not a lot of adjustments to it. Has a nice texture to the body of the holster. It does brand Canik right there, but it has a nice draw, nice positive insertion into the holster. So this I would actually consider a usable holster. I cannot say that with every manufacturer out there. I just cannot say that. So when you get the gun, it has the gun inserted, and that's what it looks like when you open the case. Very cool that they offer all of that, and a lot of that is usable. 2 optic plates, which is very nice. But is this your thing? Do you love this kind of setup here? Because Canik, and it seems to me every time they come out with a new model, it gets a ton of excitement. We think about the Canik TTI, the Terran Tactical Innovation model, that collaboration. A lot of people love it. You look at the Rival series, and the one that I like the most is the steel frame Rival series. It not only is it gorgeous, but it has that same trigger action that is so nice. And then you have the Mete series, which is where this one falls. It has steel sights, steel guide rod, very nice setup. It even has a loaded chamber bar that will pop up when a round is loaded. Cool disassemble. You look at the way the cerakote is. Whoever does their cerakote does a fine job. That distressed white is definitely different. It also has a cocked striker indicator right there that is also consistent with Canik. So you have a handgun that is loaded with features, great trigger, very accurate handgun. Many people will attest to that. And a ton of accessories in the case. It's available at the Fin. They have a nice supply of Canik handguns. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.